Samsung Galaxy S26 series, shocking new leak changes everything. Samsung just launched its jaw-dropping foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 FE. But while the world was distracted by those flashy devices, something massive just leaked under the radar, and this one might shake the entire Galaxy S series to its core. We're talking about the Galaxy S26 lineup, and what's just been discovered could mean Samsung is making its boldest move in years. Let's get straight into it. Hidden leak reveals the future of the S26 series. A fresh listing on the GSMA database has quietly confirmed something no one expected. 3 new model numbers just surfaced: SM's S942, Galaxy S26, SM S948, Galaxy S26 Edge, SM's S948, Galaxy S26 Ultra. But wait, where's the Plus model? You know, the one that always sits between the base and the Ultra? It's gone, completely missing. And this isn't a mistake, it's a calculated move. Samsung might be killing off the Plus model forever, and it's honestly kind of genius. The model number clue that changes everything. This is where it gets wild. Samsung usually follows a strict model number order: S25 base, SM's S931, S25 Plus, SM's S936, S25 Ultra, SM's S938. Naturally, we expected the S26 base to be SM's S941, but instead, it's SM's S942, just one digit higher, but that subtle jump might mean the base S26 is getting a major glow-up. We're talking a bigger display, a beefier battery, and faster charging. Samsung could finally be giving us a base model that's worth being excited about, and that's honestly overdue. Say hello to the new Edge, a stylish return. And then comes the surprise move, the Galaxy S26 Edge, SM's S947. That name might hit you with a wave of nostalgia. Remember the S6 Edge, S7 Edge? Yeah, Samsung's bringing it back. But this time, it's not just a curved display. The Edge could be Samsung's answer to the Plus, a sleeker, smarter, and more identity-driven mid-tier option. And I don't know about you, but the Edge branding just feels cooler. The Ultra still reigns supreme. Of course, Samsung isn't touching the king. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, SM's S948, is here to stay, and it's going to be the monster of the lineup. Expect Trenant. The best cameras, the biggest screen. But if the base and Edge are leveling up, the Ultra will need to bring something truly legendary to stay ahead. Could this be the year we get true periscope zoom, or a new-gen Snapdragon chip? The pressure is on. iFlike's no Plus model? Smart or stupid? The real headline here is what's missing. No Galaxy S26 Plus. No SM S946. That's not a leak, it's a statement. For years, the Plus model has been stuck in no man's land. Not compact enough, not premium enough. Samsung might finally be putting it out of its misery, and honestly, it's about time. Replacing it with the Edge gives the lineup a clearer identity. Base, for the everyday user; Edge, for the design-focused mid-tier buyer; Ultra, for the power-hungry flagship lovers. Simple, clean, bold. Or final thoughts. The Galaxy is shifting. This leak may seem like just numbers on paper, but it hints at a massive transformation in Samsung's strategy. And with the S26 launch likely 6 months away, everything's still in motion. But if this is the direction Samsung's heading, then we're in for one of the most exciting Galaxy launches in years. But what about you? Do you miss the Plus model? Does the Edge branding make a comeback in your heart? Which one are you eyeing? S26, Edge, or Ultra? Let me know in the comments, because this might be Samsung's smartest move in years, or their biggest gamble.